Hi everybody and welcome back to Lola's Lifestyle. So today we are going to work on my daughter's 2009 Suzuki Eiger. We were pulling something with it and we turned it off, went to go start it and it wouldn't start. I checked the relay, had the relay checked and there was nothing wrong with the relay. So I'm hoping it's a starter. We'll see. Okay, so Autumn's four-wheeler hasn't been running for probably 2.5 months, 3 months. So I'm gonna attempt to change the starter and hope to goodness that is the problem. So here we go. Okay, so here we are. You have to take off the side panels off of both sides and these little black things right here. You can pop the top off, it'll pop open and then you just pull out the inside point. So in here is the starter right here. Okay. So this is hot and this is a hot wire right here. And then there is a ground right here. So we're gonna pop that off and then replace it with a new one. Hopefully it works. All right, so this is a 8mm with an extension. Just so everybody knows, I did the work for you. All right, so this top wire, the hot wire is a 10mm.
And the other one's a different size?
Yeah, the other ones, the bolts that hold it on, are 8mm. All right, so you have to wiggle this darn thing out because it has the teeth. And they don't give you very much room to work with.
No.
There's the old starter. Now let's hope the new one. See these teeth at the top? You gotta make sure to get it just right.
I'll help you.
All right, so here is the new one, but it is bigger than the other one, but hopefully it'll work. We'll see. I bought the same year, model, and everything. So here it is. It comes with the nut for the hot wire already on it, and then you got your two ends to mount it. But we're gonna have to slide that top piece in there, and it doesn't like to go in nicely. I wouldn't imagine because it didn't come out too nice, so we'll see. All right, so this package actually came with the starter and the relay. Saved a little bit of money by doing so, and I'll post the link. The relay was tested, but I figured if I needed a relay later on, I would get a better deal. I'm gonna try to slide this in there. You have to make sure the teeth match up on the inside and go from there. Like I said, this is a little bit bigger, but my daughter's four-wheeler is not running, so hopefully this is the problem. And we'll see if it gets started. Okay, so I finally got it in there. It was not an easy process by no means. It had really like cram it down in there. So let's hope that this works because I really don't want to get that back out of there. So you gotta unscrew these nuts that they give you. Now trying to get this back in there, gonna be an adventure in itself, I'm sure. So just try to wiggle it, hope that it goes in there. So it gets up close. There we go. Okay, slid right in there, that's good. That's nice. Line it up, take this other nut off, which doesn't seem to want to come off. Washer back on. And a couple of bolts. I hope this works, and then I hope my daughter appreciates the things that I do for her. Because everybody knows if you pay somebody to work on things, it's expensive. Mechanics out here, I don't know, I think they get like $100 an hour. So she owes me big time in dishes. Okay. Now we're gonna put the other bolts back on, ground back on. There's ground wire, and the other bolt to hold it, to mount it, is 8mm. Okay, so we got them both at least started. So I kept dropping the darn things. Now we'll get them tightened up. This ratchet's pretty nice. It has a adjustable, movable end. I'm sure it has a pretty fancy name, but and then just put this cap back on for your hot wire, and then we'll do our best to get it started.